Hello, dear students. This is teacher Ali with you. Today, we are going to learn about the matrices and the multiplication of matrices. My dear, matrices, it is a very easy and interesting topic. Just you need to concentrate and you will enjoy this lesson, I am sure. Look here, my dear. First of all, I want to show you a matrix a, B, C, and D. These are the elements of a matrix. So first of all, the main thing which you need to understand in a matrix is there is a order of matrix. So this is a matrix is given. So what is the order of a matrix? What is the order? My dear, order, it in mathematics there is a term we use, that is m by n or m multiply n. What is m? M is a number of rows, and what is n? N is a number of columns. So in the given matrix, in this matrix, how many in matrix only we have two things, number of rows and number of columns. How many number of rows? This is 1 and this is 2. 1 and 2. 2 rows we have. And how many columns we have? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So what is the order of the matrix? Row multiply column. Row multiply column. What mean m multiply n? What is m? Number of rows. How many rows are here? 1 and 1 another 2. So 2 by 2. The order of the given matrix is 2 by 2 or 2 multiply 2. This is the order of matrix. So after learning the order, we will study the multiplication of two matrices. How to multiply one matrix with another matrix. I will show you one example. You will understand, inshallah. Hello dear. There are two matrices are given. First of all, just tell me what is the order of first matrix and what is the order of second matrix. The order of first one, row multiply column. How many rows? 1 and another 1. So 2 by multiply. How many column? 1, 2, 3. The order of the first matrix 2 by 3. 2 multiply 3. What is the order of the second matrix? Number of row multiply number of column. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 rows. So 3 by how many column? 1, 2, 3. The order of the matrix is 3 by 3 or 3 multiply 3. Understand, my dear? So why I told you here? Because for the multiplication of two matrix, the number of column of first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of second matrix. This is the main thing which you need to understand. The number of column of first matrix should be equal to the number of column of first matrix should be equal number of rows of second matrix. Then both matrix are possible to multiply with each other. If the number of column of first matrix is not equal to the number of column of second matrix, then we cannot multiply with each other. So now it is possible we can multiply. You know, what about this 2 and 3? This is the result. This is will be the number of rows and this will be the number of column of the answer. So let's start multiplication. In multiplication, I want to show you something here. The first row R1 will multiply with C1. It will be the first element. Then our second element R1 multiply with C2. Now I will multiply, you will see. This will be the second element. Look, here are in first row we have three elements, 1, 2 and 3. So first of all we want to find the first element. What is the first element? First row multiply with the first column of the second. First row of first matrix multiply with the first column of second matrix. This is the first matrix and this is the second matrix. So first row will multiply with the first column of second. So if we will multiply, so just I will write here before multiplying to make you understand more. The first one row is 2, 3 and 4. It will multiply with the first column. What is first column? 5, 2 and 1. Understand, my dear? So this is the first column. So this will multiply with this, then plus, this multiply with this, then plus, then 4 multiply with this. I will multiply here. You will see the first row 2, 3 and 4. First element will multiply with the first element of the first column. So 2 multiply 5, 2 multiply 5, then plus second element with the second element of the column. So 3 multiply 2, 3 multiply 2, then plus. What is remaining? 4. 4 multiply with the last one, 4 multiply 1. So this is the first element, like 2. Now the second will be here. First row with the second column. Here first row with the first column I finished here, I completed here. First row with the first column I completed. Now first row with second column, then first row with third column. How many columns we have? We will multiply according to the given matrices. Understand, my dear? So first row with the second column now. So 2 multiply 4. First column with first element with first element, second with second, third with third. So 2 multiply 4, 2 multiply 4 plus 3 multiply 10, 3 multiply 10, then 4 multiply 3 plus 4 multiply 3. This is the second element of the answers matrix. Understand? So I finished the first row with the first column, first row with the second column, then first row with the third column. So 2 multiply with 3, I will write here, 2 multiply with 3 plus 3 multiply means second element with the second element, 3 multiply with 4 plus 4 multiply with 6, 4 multiply with 6. Now our first row completed. Now we will start second, because look, this is the first row completed with all columns which are given. Now second row will be here, So what is second row? 507. So 507, the second row will multiply with the first column, then second row with second column, then second row with third column. So first element with first element, second element with second element, third element with the third element of the second matrix column, first column. So my dear, 5 multiply 5 here, 5 multiply 5 plus 0 multiply 2, 0 multiply 2 plus 7 multiply 1. Okay, my dear. After this, for second row with the first column, finish. Do second row, first column. Then second row with the second column. So 5 multiply 4. 5 multiply 4. Then 0 multiply 10 plus 0 multiply 10. Then plus 7 multiply 3. 7 multiply 3. Understand? Second row with the second column. Second row with the second column. This is second column of the final answer. So now second row with the third column. This is second row with the third column. This is the third column. So answer will be the this element we are going to find now. 5 multiply 3. 5 multiply 3 plus 0 multiply 4. 0 multiply 4 plus 7 multiply 6. 7 multiply 6. I have completed the second row with the first, second and third columns. First, second and third column. So our multiplication is completed. Now we will find the solution. I mean the final answer. Let's see, my dear. Now 2 multiply 5 equal what? 10. 3 multiply 2 equal 6. Plus 4 multiply 1 equal 4. This is the first element. Then 2 multiply 4 equal 8. Plus 3 multiply 10 equal 30. Plus 4 multiply 3 equal 12. Then 2 multiply 3 equal 6. Plus 3 multiply 4 equal 12. Plus 4 multiply 6 equal 24. Then the second row. First row completed, multiplication. And now the second. 5 multiply 5 equal 25. Plus 0 multiply 2 equal 0. Then plus 7 multiply 1 equal 7. Now 5 multiply 4 equal 20. Plus 0 multiply 10 equal 0. Plus 7 multiply 3 equal 21. Then 5 multiply 3 equal 15. Plus 0 multiply 4 equal 0. Plus 7 multiply 6 equal 42. Let me add now. After multiplication I want to add. So 10 plus 6, 16 plus 4 equal 20. So 30 plus 8 equal 38. Plus 12 equal 50. Now 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12 equal 18. 18 plus 24. 18 plus 4 22. 22 plus 20 30 42 equal 42. Okay, so mental addition you can do. After that 25 plus 0 25. Then plus 7. 25 plus 7 equal 32. Then 20 plus 21 equal 41. Then 15 plus 42. 42 plus 5 equal 47. 47 plus 10 equal 57. This is mental addition. This is our final answer. What is the order of the final? This is row how many rows? 2. Column 3. So this is the order as I told you in the start. So this will be our order 2 by 3, because this is condition for multiplication. It should be same. Number of column should be equal number of rows, and what is remaining, that will be the answer. 2 by 3 you can see here. This is the multiplication, my dear. Hope you understand the concept, and my dear, you need to practice as much as you can, and please watch the video twicely or 3 times. You will understand. I am sure you will understand. and if you did not understand, I will try my best to upload one more video with another example. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck. Ma salam.